How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. So here is a workaround. You can try to recover deleted Instagram messages. So Instagram allows you to download your data, including the chat history. So first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once in there, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. And once you are in your profile, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard or three lines at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the Instagram settings and privacy. Then tap on the account center at the top. Once you tap on it, scroll down and tap on the Your Information and Permissions option available there. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the Download Your Information, then tap on the Download or Transfer Information. And once you do so, all you have to do is tap on the Specific Information option available there and scroll down and look for the messages and tap on it. Since we are only recovering the deleted chats, so let's make it easy for you to browse as well. And tap on the Save button available there. Now tap on the Download and continue to the next process and tap on the Create Files. And what happens is Instagram will email you a zip file with your data, which may take a few minutes to hours, and unzip the file and open messages.json using a text editor or online viewer. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.